What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, we are pretty much going to be doing a candy bar mock-up. So to start, I am on Google as always, and I just typed in background mock-up, and you can pick any one of these pretty much backgrounds to use. I mean, it's a bunch of different ones, bunch of different kinds depending on what you're selling, what the item is. Look at that. If y'all had like some wall art, y'all can set it up right there. I mean, ton of stuff, ton of pictures. Okay, so once you get your background picture that you want, next what you're gonna want to do is again Google and type in Hershey's bar PNG, and pretty much just click on the one that you like. Now I will say I had the hardest time last night trying to find a Hershey's bar that was like unwrapped and out of the gosh darn package. But I found it. Was this one? No, because that one's bit off of. Was it this one? No, that one's bit off of. I can't really remember where I found it, but you guys, I was searching. Okay, so once you get your images that you're going to use, your background and all that, then I'm working in Publisher today, you guys. So as you can see, I already have all my images and everything right here on the page, looking all nice. Well, not really. Okay, so let me go ahead and get my background set up to the way that I want it. And if y'all hear my sons, y'all gotta excuse them. They're like laying right up under me, trying to lay down for nap. Okay, so let's say for example, I really don't like that background, but I want a textured wall. Nehemiah, sit down, honey. Can't be all on mommy like that. Okay. Y'all, they is really messing with me. Okay. Yeah, about right there, because I want the little lines in the floor to show to make it. Okay, so I just want to do just a basic gray so that it can kind of match and go with everything. Okay, great. So once I do that, I have my what is this? Hershey's bar unwrapped. I want to take this white background out. So I'm going to go to formats, recolor, and go down to set transparent and just click on that white background and it is gone. And I'm going to go ahead and put this over here floating up in the, oh no, floating up in the air. Angle it just a little bit more so that you can see it when it's sticking out of the candy bar pretty much. Okay, and this right here is going to be the Hershey's candy bar that I am using. I'm going to set one up right there. That's going to be pretty much the Hershey's bar that I used to do the back of it. And then this one is going to be the one that I do to display the front. Okay, now these don't look that big. Let me do these bigger. Let me make that a little bit bigger. Ooh, wait, too big, too big. Wait. Okay. Now let's do this a little bit bigger. Okay, perfect. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and copy that and also add one down here. What the freak? Lord have mercy. Okay. Going to copy that one. And add it down here. My, go fix the TV. It's the plug, honey. I don't know what your brother over there doing. Okay, so this is pretty much what the setup is going to look like right there. Okay, looking at it, it looks like it needs to be a little bit bigger, don't it? Yeah, like the front of it needs to be a little bit bigger. Okay.
You do good.
That's fine. That's fine. We're pretty much just doing the basics. Okay. So, and then you want to go ahead and go to your candy bar wrapper that you already have done. We're just going to use this one as an example. This is one that I recently just did. I'm going to copy it. And to do this really quickly and super easy, you just paste it. Now, as you see, if you go up to format, let me go formats. Wrong one. Format. Where you at?
Mom.
Okay, you see how the crop is like not highlighted? You can't crop it. So what you want to do is you just want to save it as a picture. And I forgot what I saved this as. Okay, we just want to name this bar. And then you just want to go ahead and add that picture in. I should have already did this, but I did not.
Oh, what's the TV?
Okay, and guess what? Now I am able to crop this picture. And so I'm just going to crop the area that would be the front of the candy bar. Which would pretty much be that area right there. And then I'm just pretty much going to stick it on here. Let me erase that. That's throwing me off. And then I'm pretty much just going to go ahead and stick this on here. What did y'all do to the TV?
That was food.
And there you go. You now have what the front of your candy bar looks like. And then to do the back, you are pretty much just going to do the exact same thing. Copy it, paste it, go back to crop. And now what you want to do is you want to get this top part up here. Because this top part is going to be, my sons is really messing with me. Because this top part is going to be what shows when it gets folded over. So I'm just going to flip that. Not that way. Flip it vertical, yeah. Pretty much what you're doing now is just giving them a visual of what it is going to look like. Which, when you flip the candy bar, this is pretty much what it looked like. And then copy that image again. Paste it, because guess what? You got to go right back to crop. And it brings up the whole picture. As you can see the whole picture now. So now what you want to do is you want to get this back area. Y'all, my son is really giving me the business. All right, so okay, so pretty much that's going to be the back.
Maya, TV bud, hi guys.
Why are y'all messing with me?
Where's the boy get the TV? I'm not.
Listen, mommy will fix the TV. Just give me a second, okay? Okay, so pretty much that is how I did the mock-up for the candy bar. It was pretty easy as long as you already have the design. As you see, it's pretty easy to put together and to do. I'm sure it's probably an easier way to do this, but this is just the way I found to do it. But like I said, mock-ups are like easy to do. You just have to go and Google and get like really realistic looking pictures and put them to a background and then just slap your products on it. Mock-ups are really not as hard and not as complicated as they may seem. And then you can add some confetti to the picture, add some balloons to the picture, jazz this picture up. Matter of fact, let me see what some confetti might look like. Just real quick. Okay, I got blue confetti. Okay, it's looking like we about to have a party. Okay, Daniel Tiger. All right, but you do want to set the confetti back behind the candy bars. Go back some more. There you go. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Really simple, quick. If you guys have any questions on this, please feel free to ask. And as always, I will see you guys soon. Bye.